anybody make the same mistakes I made. She's a real nice girl and she's always there for you. But a nice girl wouldn't tell you what you should do. Tell her about it, tell her everything you feel. Give her every reason to accept that you're for real. Tell her about it, tell her all your crazy dreams. Let her know you need her, let her know how much she means. Oh yeah! I don't need you to worry for me, 'cause I'm alright. I don't want you to tell me it's time to come home. I don't care what you say anymore, this is my life. Go ahead with your own life, leave me alone. You never said you had to offer me a second chance. I never said I was afraid of the circumstance. I still belong. Don't get me wrong. And you can speak your mind, but not on my time. Friday night I crashed your party. Saturday I said I'm sorry. Sunday came and trashed me out again. I was only having fun, wasn't hurting anyone, and we all enjoy the weekend for a change. I was stranded in the combat zone. I walked the railroad style, even rode my motorcycle in the rain. And you told me not to ride, but I made it home alive. Till you said that only proves that I am insane. You may be right, I may be crazy. Whoa, but it's just maybe a lunatic you're looking for. Turn out the lights, don't try to save me. You may be wrong for all I know, but you may be right. You may be wrong for all I know, but you may be right. It's just a fantasy, whoa, it's not the real thing, whoa, it's just a fantasy, whoa, it's not the real thing, whoa, sometimes a fantasy, whoa, it's all you need. Oh, oh, oh. It's just a fantasy, it's not the real thing, it's not the real thing, it's just a fantasy, it's just a fantasy, it's not the real thing, it's not the real thing, it's just a fantasy, it's just a fantasy, it's not the real thing, it's not the real thing, it's just a fantasy, it's just a fantasy, it's just the real thing, it's not the real thing, it's just a fantasy, it's just a fantasy, it's just the fantasy, it's not the real thing, it's just the fantasy, it's just a fantasy, it's just the fantasy, it's not the real thing, it's not the real thing, it's just a fantasy, it's just the real thing, it's not the real thing, it's just the fantasy, it's just a fantasy, it's just the real thing, it's not the real thing, it's just a fantasy. Thank you. Ako nakasabay sa'yo. Akala ko gano'n na naman yung favorite na choreography mo eh.
Paminsan-minsan, gano'n, hawakan mo rin paminsan-minsan, gano'n naman.
Iba-iba. May variation, ano?
May variation.
Oh, pare Rico, maiba ako. Medyo magpa-powder lang ako ang nose ko, ha? Exit muna ako, ikaw na muna ang bahala kay paring Ray. Kasi first time nga natin na makakasama sa series.
Bibuild up kita.
Medyo, pakilala mo lang ako, ano talaga
sabihin ko
ako?
kung anong personal.
Ano bahala?
Wala.
I'll be right back.
Balisa mo, ha? Ay, iksi ng kamay niya, no? Hindi mo na. parang... Hindi, kanya ako kasi nasabi ko, yung dali pare. Minsan pinahiram ako ng coat niyan.
Oh.
Lagi ako nakaganito.
Ay. Ha?
Lagi ako nakaganyan.
Bakit?
Kasi pagka ginanong ko, nakaganon eh. Kaya buhay na. Hanggang dito lang, maiksi kami.
Ganon.
Diba si Paring Haji?
Kaya pag nagsasayaw ka, paano? Tsura mo na?
Pag nagsasayaw ko, parang sayaw niya. Ganon. Hindi.
Pero kaibigan mo yan, ha?
Oh, yung best friend ko. Oo. Wala kami pinagtalunan niya. Alam mo si Paring Haji, pare. Hindi ka mawawalan dyan, pare.
Oh, maigi yun. Oo, ka pa yun.
Hindi ka rin magkakaroon. Yun din ang ano niya. Kasi, alam mo, iba ang dating niya. At, hindi mo napansin.
Pero paano mo na nakasama yan? Tagal yan. Ang balita ko dyan nung araw, ano yan, medyo suplado, ganun. Paano mo nakasama yan?
Laos na siya. Kailangan siya kumita sa pera. Wala mo din sa ng pare. Ngayon, ganito yan, pare. Hindi mo napansin, ang dami na niya naging asawa. Akala ba yung sabi, kilabot ng kulihan? Hindi. Di ba, lahat ng nahihiwalay sa kanya, pare? Nakadami na asawa niya. 4 na ata naging asawa niya eh.
Oh?
Pag nahihiwalay sa kanya, pare, yung mayaman. Lahat, di ba?
Ibig mo sabihin, yumayaman, ganun.
Si Rio Diaz, ang naghirap sa kanya, matagal eh. Nung napunta kay Charlie Cuanco, yumaman. Ganun, yung isang original niya, ganun din nangyari. Kuripot kasi, pare. Gusto niya puro sex lang. Ano kaibigan ko yan?
Oh,
Best friend ko yan.
Oh, ganun.
Oo, tagal namin.
Pero Rico, paano mo nalalaman kung hindi ka na mahal ng babae?
Kung hindi
Kunwari, halimbawa, tawag sa'yo, Papa, ganyan.
Aba, nangihingi na ng pera yung lahat eh. Oo. Ganun ba sa'yo? Inuutangan ka? Ganun? Nagbabayad ka na rin ngayon, ano? Wala, hindi na nakukuha sa itsura ngayon yan. Ayun ka na. Ano si Jake?
Mukhang sinasabi mo yung mga experience mo, Oryx.
Pag hindi ko makuha, binabayaran ko na lang talaga.
Yan ba uso ngayon? Parang...
Hindi, si Haji, hindi na siya makasabay ngayon dahil talagang ayaw magbayad niyan. Nagsasarili na lang yan.
Paano yung sabihin nagsasarili?
Pansin mo yung braso niya, mas malaki yung kanan sa kaliwa. Kaya, hindi mo ba alam yung pare? Ay!
Pare!
Pare! Ay, ganda ng damit mo. Parang natutulog ka lang. Oh. Ano, ganda pare.
Binabagay ko lang naman sa makeup mo eh. Are, ano, kilala na ako ni Ray.
Pare, sinabi ko na lahat ng
Pare,
mga
thank you.
qualities mo. Talagang
Thank you for
you're
the kind words,
best,
ah.
pare.
Thank you,
Because
thank you.
Iba ka. Ito mo, lahat ng mga contest na sinalihan mo, panalo ka.
Wow.
Kasi totoo tao ka, pare.
Thank you, pare.
Diba, pare?
Yan ang best friend ko, Rico J.
Best yan eh.
So, ako naman na.
Sige, pare, ha?
Ha? Sige, good luck. Isang maganda naman.
Paki-anuhan nyo lang at kailangan ng pera nito. Sige.
Mr. Haji Alejandro.
Haji Alejandro.
Alam talaga namin magmahalan niya ni Patrick.
May minamahal, bawat taong may damdamin, may minamahal. Tulad mo at tulad ko, nakadama sa isa't isa ng pag-ibig. At ngayon'y nagmamahalan ng tapat. Pag nagmamahal, bawat sandaling kasiping kay anong bilis. Bawat oras ay mayroong kasaysayang anong sarap, anong tamis. Maligaya nga ang taong nagmamahal. Kaya't ako'y napaligaya ng tunay mong pagmamahal. Ang lahat ng kagandahan ay nasa'yo. Ningning ng mata, lambot ng labi, at ugaling walang kapintasan, nababalot na alindog katawang tunay. Kapag minamahal, kulay rosas ang paligid ko sa tuwi-tuwi na